What are the steps to leave a voicemail without calling someone?
Hello and welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning about how to leave a voicemail without calling someone directly. That's right. There are ways to do this that may not be well known, but can come in handy in numerous situations. So let's get started.
Why might you want to do this?
There are several reasons you might want to leave a voicemail without directly calling someone. Maybe you want to avoid a potentially awkward conversation, or perhaps it's a time-sensitive matter and you're not sure if the person will be able to answer the phone. Regardless of the reason, this process can be quite useful.
What do you need?
Before we start, there are a few things you'll need. 1. The recipient's phone number. This is the number where you will leave the voicemail. 2. Your own phone. You can use either a landline or a mobile phone. 3. A quiet environment. This will ensure the clarity of your message.
How do you leave a voicemail without calling someone directly?
Here are the steps. 1. Dial your voicemail system. This step varies depending on your service provider and country, so you'll need to know how to access your voicemail system. 2. Navigate to the voicemail options. Once you've accessed your voicemail, you'll need to navigate to the options or settings. 3. Select the option to send a voicemail. This option also varies by provider. You might see something like, send a voicemail, direct voicemail, or leave a voicemail. 4. Enter the recipient's phone number. The system will then ask you to input the number of the person you want to leave the voicemail for. Enter it correctly and confirm. 5. Record your message. Now, it's time to record your message. Speak clearly and concisely, leaving all necessary details. 6. End and send the voicemail. Once you're done recording, you'll usually press a certain key to stop and send the message.
Things to remember.
Voicemail services vary. Depending on your provider and the country you're in, the exact process may vary. Be respectful and concise. As with any voicemail, ensure you're respectful and concise in your message. Test it out first. If this is your first time doing this, try it out with a friend or family member to ensure you understand the process. And that's how to leave a voicemail without calling someone directly. It might seem complicated at first, but with a little practice, you'll be able to do it easily. Remember, this can be a great tool for communication in certain situations, but it's always best to reach out directly when possible. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time, happy voicemailing!